take our viewers to, in fact, that's breaking news. What we are being told right now is that the post-mortem of Vikas Dubey is complete. The post-mortem formalities are done, and any moment his body can be taken out of the mortuary that you see behind me. It is, in fact, very, very important to note that at this moment, Vikas Dubey, none of his family members are present at this very spot. Let me go across to my colleague Asutosh Mishra, who's joining me with more details on this. Asutosh, just bring our viewers the sense it took a few hours for the formalities to be completed. What from here? Are there family members, those who will be taking possession of his body?
So, the body was first taken to the hospital, and after a few hours it was taken back to the post-mortem room. So that the entire process took around 2.5 hours. But before the post-mortem, the Panchnama was done, and what I'm told that since Panchnama also requires one of the family member or a close relative to sign that paper, so someone from the family member or the relatives were called here, and the Panchnama has been signed. Now the post-mortem has been completed, so there will be a primary report followed by a secondary report, which will be signed by the chief surgeon and also the magistrate and senior officials, those who are present here. So the post-mortem report, what I'm told, is now being prepared and written, which will in a sealed cover be sent to the magistrate and also the STF and the local police for the further legal procedures. As far as family members are concerned, I'm also being told from the sources in UP Police that family have been told about the body if they are going to claim it. So if family comes up voluntarily and claim the body, that will be handed over to the family. But what we know that also family members of Vikas Dubey are under detention. They are also detained by the police for the questioning. So we'll have to see whether the police is now going to hand over the body to the family members if anyone comes to claim it, or police, the team will follow the last rituals of, this deadly mafia don of Kanpur. Ankit.
Okay.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.